Welcome everyone. Welcome back to another random rip. Saw a good deal. Decided to pick it up. Topps Chrome update. Of course, everyone's looking for the rookie debut patch autograph. And that's what we're going to see if we can pull this in this box. This blaster box. Bought this the other day. As always, Pope Leo is going to be looking out for us, helping us out. And then to kick off this break, none other than Shohei. We'll go to Shohei Rookie to bring us some luck. And so without further ado, let's get into it. Figured why not? Saw the blasters. I mean, they're not the cheapest. But had coupons, whatnot. So I figured, let's see what we can pull. Let's get lucky. Let's get ourselves one of the rookie debut patches. Says it's got 28 cards total, 7 packs per box, 4 cards per pack. Nothing else there. We got our 7 packs. Let's dive into it. 4 cards per pack. Pretty sure they probably did the MVP. We got a rookie angel. Thank you, Shohei. We got 2. What's this? Jacob deGrom All-Star Game. Chrome refractor. And then it looks like we got a sepia. Cam Smith. Gage Workman. Nice pack there. 3 of the 4 cards were rookies. What do we got here? Christian Campbell. On the back, Johan Duran, Paxton Schultz, Gan Sepia, and Christian Campbell on the power players. Do a quick little rip here. Ellie De La Cruz in the back. Key Brian Hayes, Augustin Ramiro, Genio Suarez, Ellie De La Cruz. Tyler Callahan on the back. Tyler McGill, another Tyler. Braxton Fulford, Sedane Rafaela, and Tyler Callahan. 3 more packs to go. Let's see what we get here. Jack Leiter, again, update. Jose Trevino. Alright. Kade Strowd on the rookie auto. Kade Strowd on the rookie auto. Thomas Sagase. Jack Leiter. All right. Kade Strowd on the rookie auto. There's a sticker, but still awesome. Awesome pulling an autograph. Even better. It's a rookie auto. Nice. I don't think they're guaranteed in these, but all right. Jackson Jobe, Ryan Rollison, Tommy Pham on the sepia, Logan Van Way. And then our last pack magic, Ryan Helsley on the back. Jace Young, doesn't look like we have a debut patch here, but Jace Young, Marcelo Mayer, Hyung Seung Kim on the rookie debut. Again, is this Chrome? Let's see what the number is here. 500, 500. Alright, so we got a cool refractor. Alright, nice little box. Cool. Kade Strowd on the rookie auto. Let's get that sleeved up. As always, thank you all for joining. Pope Leo, thank you. Shohei, thank you. Your services are done for tonight. As always, thanks for joining. Peace, kids.